We're supposed to determine the area of this rectangle JKLM. I know that the formula for area of a rectangle is just length times width. So I need to determine the length and the width using the coordinate plane. So let's start with segment LM. I'm going to draw in the vertical and horizontal distance between those endpoints, and I'm really creating a little right triangle here so that I can apply Pythagorean theorem to determine the length LM. So this is 3, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So for the length, I'm doing 3 squared plus 6 squared equals c squared. So that's 9 plus 36 equals c squared, which is 45 equals c squared. So the length is radical 45. Now let's look at the width. So I'll use KL to represent my width. So this is 2 and 4 for A and B to plug into the Pythagorean theorem. So 4 squared plus 2 squared equals c squared. That's 16 plus 4 equals c squared. 20 equals c squared. So the width is radical 20. Now I'm leaving the length and width in radical form because I don't want to round too quickly and then end up with a rounding error. So now I need to multiply them. The area will be radical 45 times radical 20. So I'm going to go over to my scientific calculator on Desmos and type that in. Radical 45. Make sure I move my cursor over so I'm out of that radical, times radical 20. So the answer is 30. The area of this rectangle is 30.